In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to add overlays in Premiere Pro, or how to overlay an image or a video clip in Premiere Pro. I believe that you understand that if you add an object to the topmost track on the timeline, that object appears in front. And when you add an object to the bottom track on the timeline, that object appears behind every other object on the top tracks in the timeline. For example, so right here in Premiere Pro, I have these two clips in my timeline. I have a video clip in view 1 or video 1 track, and then I have a logo in video 2 track. Between these two objects, the one appearing in front is the logo, and that is because it is on the top track. So if I move this video track to the topmost track or the track above the track that has the logo, you'll see that the logo is no longer visible. But if I return this to the bottom track, you see the logo reappears. Basically, that's how to create overlays in Premiere Pro. So the objects you want visible, you put them at the topmost track or the top track or the track above the background. Now to adjust this logo or position it wherever I want on the screen, all I need to do is to select the clip on the timeline and I head over to Effects Controls, select Motion. Right here within Motion, I can reduce the scale value to reduce the size of the logo to whatever size I want. And then to reposition it, I'm going to head over to Positions. And then I'm going to play with these values. The first dialog controls the horizontal axis, while the second controls the vertical axis. So depending on the position I want to place the logo, I will adjust the values accordingly. You can also modify the logo by simply double clicking on it in the preview, and then the logo will be highlighted, and then you can go ahead and adjust the size with the notes around it, and then click and position it wherever you want on the screen. You can also control the length and duration of an overlay by simply selecting your selection tool, head over to the timeline, over your mouse to either the end or the beginning of the clip, and then you can click and drag to extend the duration of the clip, depending on how long you want it to appear. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.